Have you ever wondered why, when faced with the same issue, some people speak and command universal respect, while you open your mouth only to cause hostility or be ignored? The difference doesn't lie in the tone of voice, it lies in strategic communication thinking. Today, I will give you the power phrases to transform you from an awkward communicator into a master of every conversation. Never underestimate the power of words. Poor communication is the poison that kills your relationships and career advancement opportunities. If you are stuck in endless arguments or feel your voice carries no weight, stop speaking on instinct immediately and start applying these practical formulas. The first tip is for situations involving confiding or venting. The biggest mistake most people make is jumping in with advice before the other person is ready. Instead of being a know-it-all, ask a single question. Do you want me to just listen, or do you need a solution? This sentence is a powerful psychological tool. It forces the listener to identify their needs and completely prevents them from getting angry when receiving unwanted advice. If they need an ear, be silent and empathetic. If they need a solution, that is the moment to demonstrate your wisdom. For superiors or elders, do not use that question rigidly. Adapt it to, "Is there anything I can assist you with?" This is how you show your eagerness to learn and willingness to take responsibility without appearing sycophantic. A boss will always favor and trust employees who know how to listen and proactively offer help at the right time. That is the shortest path to building trust and getting promoted. The second tip is to put an end to heated arguments. The main cause of conflict is interruption. When people feel their opinions are being cut off, they immediately go into a defensive and offensive state. To control this, set the ground rules from the start. Say, "To make this discussion effective and respectful, I have a small suggestion. When you speak, I will listen from start to finish without interrupting. Then, when I speak, please listen to my full point before responding." Agreed? By proactively yielding the floor to them first, you gain the upper hand in terms of rapport. Creating a space for absolute listening helps both parties keep a cool head and focus on the issue rather than personal attacks. If you were talking to your boss, tactfully ask for permission. "May I finish this point so you have the most complete information and then you can give me your feedback?" This politeness combined with a clear stance will make it impossible for the other person not to respect you. Wise communication is not about speaking a lot, but about speaking at the right time and to the point. Stop speaking carelessly and start using these power phrases today. You will see the world around you change its attitude toward you in an instant. Don't just listen, act to turn words into your sharpest weapon.